quick update. It's been like over a month since I did the intro video. We moved in a little over 2 weeks ago and a ton has happened since then. The only thing I'm disappointed about is I still haven't taken that star down, but that's gonna happen soon. Anyway, well, we have, the building is finally prepped for spray foam. We got the man door into the office. Meter base is installed with conduit pulled, so that way the spray foam can seal that really well. I've got half the load of lumber that's going to be the walling for the inside. For where we're doing the concrete in the horse stalls, we've got the base course. Concrete's gonna be delivered in a few days, and the tractor finally came, so that's gonna make all that work a whole lot easier. So of course, as you can see, spray foam's getting ready to go in. All the demo is done. So anyway, I think the plan is to cut. I'm so stupid. Yeah, I mean, all the demo's done. Place is damn empty. And the spray foam guys got a little delayed. So where the horse stalls were, we already excavated by hand because the tractor wasn't here yet. So that's ready to have base course rebar and concrete go in the office. And then bottom goes in first. So as I mentioned, we got the man door in, so that's awesome. This was quite a project, and please ignore the hideous framing, non-structural wall. This is just what I did to get this in and be able to get drywall over it. Of course, there'll be a video on this, video on the spray foam prep, video on the concrete, video on the electrical. So many shop videos. We just haven't quite wrapped up anything yet to have a video, so giving you guys this little update, let you know where we are. Everything in here is gutted. This is the panel that was here. Oh, don't look at what's going on here. So this panel is going to end up coming out when I get the new 200 amp service in. Check this out. So this is a beautiful thing. I'm going to have 200 amps of dedicated service in my shop. That makes me happier than it should. But anyway, that's kind of where things are. I'm really excited to finally get the Penguin cutting. You know, in the old shop, I got it tested and everything's working, but then before I could get any cutting done, we moved, so I haven't been able to do anything with it. I'm not gonna wait till the shop's fully set up. I just need to at least get the spray foam in and get that off-gassed before I can run a temporary circuit and get this doing some projects for me. And that's gonna be exciting. But anyway, I hope everyone has a happy Thanksgiving. I do want to let you know that Rockler is having some fantastic Black Friday sales. So do make sure you check those out. If you need any sanders, be sure to hit up Merca. I don't know if they're running any sales. Of course, Penguin, I don't think we have the standard $300 discount code YCMT2 for that. And anyway, until next time, and thank you so much to those companies for sponsoring the channel. And until next time, make time to make something.